Hey guys, it's White here, and I'm gonna do a small tutorial on how to lockpick with just one normal sized paper clip and one slightly smaller paper clip. I know people are gonna be like, well, it's easier to do it with one. Well, that's your opinion. I don't do it that way. So I'm gonna do the first step really quick with the smaller paper clip. Okay, so I just bent it, and it should look somewhat like this. You just need to fold one of these over until it's touching the other end. Now I'm going to fold the other bigger paper clip, and this one's more simple than the second one, or the last one. Okay, so the second bend should look like this. It's very simple. You just want it, like, for the lock that I have, it's not a very big lock. So you just want it until it touches the ground with just a little bit of give behind it. Like that. So now what you want to do is, you want to take the bigger paper clip, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's small little folds right here that push inward. So what you're gonna want to do is put the big one that you folded like this. Or you can use two big ones, but it's a little more difficult because these are kind of hard to bend to fold over. So you want to push this one in, pull it so all the little things are pushed backward. And then what you want to do is you want to put this other one with the small folded end into the other slot. And then hold on, I can't do this. Hold on 1 second. You want to take it and you want to turn. Okay. Turn it. Takes a few tries before you get used to it because this is just a brand new set for me. Or if you like it the other way, you can switch these around and use this to push the little lever down, which is normally what I do. I just wanted to try a different way for this video. Push that in. Take this one. One second. And then when you finish, you should be able to lockpick it like this. So those are my tools. And that's all. If you want to see more, like the video and subscribe, because this is my first video and I don't know how to start, so this is what I'm going to do. Alright, see you in the next video.